This video is just going to give you a quick refresher on working within your zyBook environment. You have 3 coding assignments for this particular module, Module 8. And within your zyBook, if we go to your zyBook, Module 8 looks like the following. And yours may look slightly different. That is, we usually have a workspace for the students, and then some of the assignments will have a dedicated section, but many of your instructors will just say, do all your work in the student workspace. So I'm going to actually go to the student workspace here. And in the student workspace, you're going to open that workspace up. And what I want to just review with you is that you can have multiple files in this workspace. When you go to submit, please don't download all the files by using these 2 buttons. You will click on each individual file that is an individual program, and then you will choose to download it. If I decrease the font on my screen here, you'll be able to see that you can choose the download tab. And then this is the file that you will then upload for your assignments. So how do you get those additional files? If I click on this panel here, I can click to add a new file. You have to name it. A lot of times we have you name it with your initial and then the assignment description or name, all right, and then .java. That creates a brand new file. If you click on line 2 and type main and choose public static void main, you get your main method, which is where Java begins executing the code. And then if I just type print, I can choose a print line command to start with my first code line for this particular program. Don't forget that with all of your programs, we also are going to have you want to do the course comment. You will probably not get full credit for most instructors if you don't include your course comment. Once you have the program up and running, and also I always forget when I'm demoing this, but always open this up in the new tab because that gives you your bigger screen real estate that you can work with. It makes it easier to do your coding and etc. But you can do all of your programming here in that student workspace. You get there by accessing your zyBook. When we go to execute this particular program, you're going to see the additional window come up that will show you the output. And so then you're in business here. So just a review here of the fact that you can have multiple assignments here working within a single project or working within your student workspace back here on your zyBook. You will download those files. They will not get auto-graded. You have to download them. And then when you go back to your modules for each individual assignment, for example, on the Java void method, on the assignment page in Canvas, you will scroll down. You can do a upload and then drag the file, go to the location where you've saved those files. You can drag the file in, and then that will upload the file. And then you submit the assignment, and it should give you, I think it gives you confetti if you submit it on time.